the tape has been relatively benign, but underneath the surface, it's been a ferocious battle. Take your pick, big versus small, growth versus value. It's all been there, and it's all been under the watchful eyes of a Federal Reserve that telling us that the inflation that we see and everything we consume, from the pumps to the grocery store, is just transitory. And I think in the months ahead, that's going to be a tough piece of rhetoric to buy.
But macro markets aside, there are names like Viacom CBS, Applied Materials, Goldman Sachs, three names you love right now. Clearly, those companies have absolutely nothing in common. Why do you like them, David?
I think it's because you moved from growth to value. If you look at Applied Materials, so like during the dot-com bubble, companies like Microsoft were 32 times sales. Today, they're 11 times. Just because cloud stocks have come from 40 to 30 times sales doesn't mean they're a bargain. Applied Materials trades under a market multiple, mid-teens earnings growth. You can own technology, but you have to move down the valuation curve right now.
Yeah, Goldman Sachs. I mean, is this as simple as interest rates will ultimately rise and global economies are booming, so let's buy Goldman? I mean, is it that? It can't be.
It's a little bit of everything. You just hit on an important point. The valuation is compelling. At 9 times forward, it's a compelling valuation, I think, for a company like Goldman, a premier product. You've got the investment banking piece is working very well. And the fact that, they're going to be a major player in the crypto market. I don't see there's not a lot not to like right now in the financial sector. The yield curve screams financials. Get involved. I don't care how you do it, even in ETF.
Yeah, and then you've got, by the way, A Little Bit of Everything is a great song by the band Dawes, D-A-W-E-S, if anybody hasn't heard that. And I post songs on my Instagram, at Brian Sullivan. Nobody cares. Finally, Viacom CBS. What are they doing right?
I think, look, Paramount has one of the finest, publishing libraries, one of the finest film libraries on the planet. We've seen the appetite for streaming assets. You and I can debate what the multiple should be, but at 10 times forward earnings, I would suggest that you're getting the streaming assets for nothing.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.